Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand Coin. In today's video, we will talk about this big falling wedge pattern. Right now, the price line has again reached the resistance of this wedge, and we will also take a look at this next resistance, the price level resistance of 88 cents, and Algorand is going to hit this resistance very soon. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis first of all. Let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has recently rejected. Yesterday, it was rejected by this resistance of 88 cents. And before that, on 23rd of Feb, we have a rejection, and here we also have a rejection on 21st of Feb as well. And if we take a look at the previous history, then we can see even previously at the several places, this resistance of 88 cents has been breaking as a nice support and resistance, like here on 14th of Feb from 13 to 14 Feb, and here back in the month of January 2022. It has been working as a nice support. Therefore, this time again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And on this 4-hourly time frame, same as like the Bitcoin, Algorand is also forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the left shoulder, and this is the head, and we have also formed the right shoulder as well. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, then our next target after the breakout can be here. If I place this trend line at the breakout point, that will be approximately at $1.12. Now, for example, if we will break out this neckline and reach the resistance, this target of $1.12, and I'm just going to place this same trend line here at this chart as well, then we are also going to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that we are again reached the resistance of the falling wedge, and we also have the resistance of this red line, that is the exponential moving average 21 on this daily time frame. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then we can see when we reached here at the support before this move to the upside, when we were not at the resistance, we were at the support at that time, the price line was forming lower than previous low, but the RSI was forming higher low than previous low. So there was also a bullish divergence appeared on this chart, and the price line moved out with the bullish divergence and reached the resistance. Therefore, the probability is high to break out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge, that will be at the top of this falling wedge, that will be very close to the to $3. However, before this top, we have a lot of resistance here, approximately at $2. You can see that here we have several candlesticks rejected by this resistance, and the price line was moved down. Therefore, it can be also set our target after this breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.